Lisa's profile was one I was excited to do because it's the first one that actually also includes a product, an individual product that people might want to use. Specifically, these parasols called Lily Lark is the brand. And for that reason, this is an entirely appropriate, or it could be, right? It could be an appropriate use of the space on the banner, right? She's proud of it. It's a great picture. There's two issues. One is, what is the priority at the time for her LinkedIn profile, right? And the second is, I have no idea what that is or why that is if I'm just looking at it. So what I might do is, if highlighting the side hustle is a good example of what I'm doing right now, then I might maybe block out the little corner down here and put in Lily Lark, whatever parasols they are. They're not paper parasols, right? Whatever kind of parasols they are. Yeah, bamboo sun parasols. And this way I would know what this is for, right? And also where to find them, right? lilylark.com or something. I did notice that her picture is great. She calls herself founder, Lily Lark, which is great. She can also just call herself a founder. She doesn't need to actually justify that. And then down here, she could put founder and creative director. You don't need to have Lily Lark here because the name is already there. If she is still running this, then if it's still happening, then she can move this up or down as she wants to move it up and down. If she's done this, that's okay too, right? Like then it stays farther down the thing. But if that's the case, then it probably does not need to be in her banner. So this is what I talk about, is that strategy is super important, and making that decision about how you're going to use your LinkedIn profile. All right. Now, one thing I will say is that because she is a freelancer, other than listing everybody that she's ever worked for, which I totally agree with this thing, maybe create a business page where it's, LS for her initials, which then she has an opportunity to list all of the companies that she's done some freelance work for. And honestly, the projects, she could be showing off some of the best stuff that she's done, right? It doesn't have to be her own, just her company stuff. It could be any other projects that she's worked on as well. And obviously, there's a few other things that I would definitely update here. An about page, the about section could add a little bit more, but she's got this is a really good start for a LinkedIn profile. But we want to see, there's no website, there's a bunch of little stuff. So anyway, I thank you to Lisa. Big thank you to Lisa for letting me review your profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do it.